Hey there and welcome. Here we are at 207 King Street. This is the top floor apartment, 707. Big, huge, enormous light filled loft. We've got 2 stories here. Ensuite bathroom on the bottom floor. And as you can tell, how much space there is. It is absolutely amazingly gorgeous. Really, really lovely hardwood floors. And if you're a baseball fan, this is absolutely the place for you. We are directly across the street from Oracle Park. So you'll be able to see all the fans there when people can come back in. We've got views of the water. And there's a lot of really cute parks around here as well. So there's lots and lots of stuff to do. It's really, really great for walking distance. Lots of places to eat. So let's go ahead. We'll look at the kitchen, speaking of eating. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove, lots of cabinet space. And then we'll go ahead and we'll check out the bathroom here. And a sink. There's also a huge, enormous closet here. Lots of extra storage space. This place is fantastic for storage space. You've really got a lot of room in here. We'll go ahead and step upstairs. Take another look at the view. Just see the wind ruffling through the tops of the palm trees there. And then we come up to the loft bedroom here. Lots of space. Carpeted, so it's a little bit quieter. Big amount of space up here. Really, really nice. Again, tons and tons of closet space. We'll just take a little peek into these. We've got a whole entire wall of closets. These have all been done up really nicely. And then we have our full bathroom upstairs. Toilet, single sink, and then we've got the shower and the back over here. So we'll take another little walk down, just so you can see the view one more time. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you can come and see this place very, very soon. It is wonderfully beautiful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.